Hello my friends and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I have prepared an iPhone keyboard trick or maybe hidden feature most of you don't know. So I'll show you what is that and maybe you'll have fun using it with your friends. Now when you open a new message in Messages app, just tap on this globe icon here, tap and hold, and then tap on keyboard settings. Now you'll be headed directly to the keyboard settings on your iPhone. You can also do, through the settings, do this, okay? Just go back. Let me show you how to find it. If you, do it from the settings. Just tap on General and then scroll down until you find Keyboard. Here we go again. Now, what to do, just tap on Keyboards. Then add New Keyboard. And here, search for Japanese. When you find Japanese, just tap on it. And here we have a list of 3 keyboards available. Now tap on Romaji and then done. Let's go back to the Messages app. Okay, what to do next is this. Tap the globe icon and hold again and choose this keyboard. Now next, tap on 1, 2, 3 and then tap on this little icon here, okay, which is a keyboard, like a key, of course, and then tap on this little arrow here. Now, what are these? These are called Kaomoji, or a list of cute text faces that you can have fun sending them to your friends maybe, or even your kids or someone to have fun with. So, of course, a very long list of these cute text faces available here. You can use them from now on to have fun with your friends, for example. And go ahead. I'm going to go with this one. All right. Just hit send and that's it. I hope you liked it. Share with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.